Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well. In this video, I will show you how to link crypto.com to Defi wallet. So first step is just open up your Play Store and App Store and search for this crypto.com on chain. And then you have to install this wallet and then open it. After that, you will be able to see the similar screen once you create a wallet on it. And then you have to click on this settings icon at the top of your screen. You can also click this option connect crypto account from here. If you don't find this option, you have to click on this settings option. Then on the screen you will be able to find this connect to crypto.com option, so you have to just click on it. Then it will show you the screen. From here you have to click on this two check boxes and then click on this connect button. After that it will open up your browser and with the crypto.com website. Now on this page you have to enter your crypto.com app account email and then click on this send connection email. After that you will receive this similar email, so just open up your Gmail or email application and then open up this email and you will find this connect option. You have to just click on it. Then you have to enter your crypto.com app passcode and then click on continue. After you do that, you will be able to see this option authorize and launch crypto.com on chain, and once you click on it, your crypto.com will be linked to your Defi wallet. So I hope this video was helpful. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.